Hey there, Nikki here from Agentic. Let's talk about the future of car buying. It's all about AI meeting EI, emotional intelligence. Imagine walking into a dealership where the salesperson already knows your preferences and budget. That's AI in action. But here's the kicker, it's the human touch that seals the deal. That's EI in reality. While AI crunches data and predicts your needs, emotional intelligence turns that info into a real connection. It's about reading between the lines of what AI tells us. AI might flag your interest in safety features, but a savvy salesperson shares a personal story about how those features protected their family. That's EI at work. Dealerships using this AI-EI combo are seeing amazing results. Less time on paperwork, more quality time with customers, and higher satisfaction all around. At Agentic, we're not just embracing AI, we're supercharging it with emotional intelligence. It's how we're reshaping the future of automotive retail. Ready to join the revolution? Let's talk.